My name is Alfred Machuga. I'm the regional manager of South Nyanza Regional Office of DSCC. Today we arrested the clerk in the Nyamira County Assembly, and I would like maybe to give you a background of what actually happened up to what culminated to his arrest today. Now, the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission received a report that alleged irregular procurement and award for the construction of an office block to Jeta building administered by the County Assembly of Nyamira. So investigations were done, and we established that the County Government of Nyamira, County Assembly of Nyamira, recommended the award of the tender to the company known as Jeta Builders, which was not the lowest evaluated bidder. This actually amounted to conferring of a benefit of 30,817,396 to Jeta Contractors Limited. So upon investigations and conclusion investigations, we forwarded our investigation file to the Director of Public Prosecution, who upon review approved charges on the following persons. One, Mr. Duke Simon Onyari, who is the clerk of the County Assembly. Mr. Leonard Kevin Nyamasege, who is the deputy clerk, Director of Finance and Accounts. Mr. David Nyarango Ombego, who is the deputy clerk, Director of Legal Services. Ms. Joyce Onyengo, who is the Director of Monitoring, Evaluation and Evaluation Development in Nyamira County Assembly. Engineer Josephat Martini Oruru is the Chief Officer, Roads and Public Works, Nyamira County Government. Mr. Eric Omuti Ayuka, who is the Infrastructure Officer. And finally, Mr. Simon Ondari Ogecha, Infrastructure Officer. One of the suspects was arrested on the 19th March and arraigned in court in Nyamira. The case is MCCGCR number E001 of 2026. Republic versus Duke Simon Onyari and 7 others. And this was an allegation that they regularly awarded the tender what? It was actually the initial tender involved around 367 million. So today, we managed to arrest the clerk who has been on the run. We have gone to several courts seeking anticipatory orders. We have actually been trying to avoid the court process, but as we normally say, serikali na nini ina mkono mrefu. So we managed to arrest him today. We are processing him, and tomorrow we will be arraigning him in court. And therefore, I want to urge the other suspects, okay, the other 5 suspects who are remaining, to present themselves to ESCC for processing, for them to be arraigned in court accordingly. That's what I can tell you for today. Okay. Mama alikuwa